22mm waterproof metal push-button switch with wire. The button is equipped with an LED ring light. The shell is made of 304 stainless steel, featuring strong corrosion resistance. The bottom adopts a gluing design, providing excellent waterproof sealing performance. This push-button switch adopts a direct lead connection method. Please refer to the wiring diagram for the wiring method. This button uses a self-locking switching mode. It has an IP67 waterproof rating, and the button can still work normally even when immersed in water.